Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how to use pin tab into your browser like Google Chrome and Firefox. So here you will learn how to use it and what is the advantages of this pin tab. So keep watching. So friends, now I'm going to open my Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome, and here I'm going to open my favorite website like YouTube. And what I will do, simply click here this pin tab. First of all, you right click over there and select pin tab. Okay, so you can see this is automatically converted into pin tab. And here right now I'm going to open Mashable website. Okay, so this is the website. This is one of the best website, and here I am reading all the articles like technical and all. So here I'm going to add this website also as a pin tab. So whenever I open this browser, this will automatically load. Okay, and now I'm going to open my one of the best favorite website, Google. And this is Google, and here I'm going to add this website also in pin tab. So this is the pin tab feature, and whenever I will close this browser and again open this browser, then this three website will automatically load into this browser. Okay, so I can use these websites very easily, not need to open again and again. Okay, so right now I'm going to close this browser and again open this browser, so we will see pin tab is done or not. Okay, so right now I'm going to open this browser, so you can see in background these websites are loaded into this browser. Okay, so this is one of the best features which Google is providing to us in Google Chrome. So we can manage our favorite website in pin tab. So this is for Google Chrome. So now I'm going to show you the same pin tab feature in Firefox. Okay, so right now I'm going to close this browser and again work out these pin tab features in Firefox. So right now I'm going to open Firefox. So this is the browser, and here I'm going to open some website, for example same website like YouTube. So this is YouTube, and again same features, right click over here and you can see this pin tab option. Okay, so click over here and again open Mashable. So this is the Mashable website, and same click here this pin tab, and again I'm going to open my hot favorite Google. Okay, so this is Google, and here I'm going to add this website also in pin tab. Okay, so friend, right now I have added three websites into pin tab. Now we are going to close this browser and again check it out, it is working or not. Okay, so here I'm going to close this Firefox, and now I'm going to again open this browser. So you can see in background this is automatically loading my favorite website into pin tab. So this is YouTube, this is Mashable website, and this is my favorite search engine, Google. Okay, so friend, this is tutorial I want to share with you guys. If you have any query or questions, you can ask me in comment below, so I will give you the answer. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Click on this red icon of subscribe button and also click on bell icon, so you will get the latest update about these types of video. So keep watching, and if you have any question or query, please keep in touch with me, so I will give you the answer. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.